Okay, take your house. I will keep here in your head.
Touch, touch.
Just keep the box in home.
Maghahanap yan pagka nakatay.
We will kill it now.
No.
Oo, ayaw nga, pumayag.
No, don't kill it. I'll box you.
Ano siya eh,
Mayroon ba tayong ganito na mas malapit ng kunti na matuloy?
Touch the goat.
Don't kick it. I will slap you.
Before you kick it, now you are telling to daddy don't kick it.
See the goat? Me. See the teeth.
Can I see the teeth?
See the teeth.
Can I see the teeth?
Kiss the goat.
Didn't brush. Bring your brush. Bring your brush and take. Didn't bring. It didn't brush.
Slap your face.
No.
It didn't clean the teeth. Same like you.
Para hindi pa mainig.
Oh, touch the. We are going to kill the goat now.
No, I'll just
Para
put.
no, diretso ha. Yung malaking
What?
yung malaking
I will just feed the goat.
Okay, feed. Okay, feed the goat. You talk to the goat. Anton.
malaking kaldero diyan, diyan na sa labas painitin.
Ay, sleeping.
Anton.
I got this one.
See?
Anton.
The goat is sick now, see?
No, the goat is sleeping.
Sick!
No, he's sleeping.
Oh my
The
God,
goat is want milk.
No, he's just sleeping.
No, goat
your
want
milk.
milk.
Bring your milk.
Milk and noodles.
He wants.
No, it will eat only noodles.
Oh,
Yes, it is eating only noodles.
Anton, sing for the goat. Sing.
I got.
See?
nothing.
He's hungry. Bring noodles.
She's eating.
He's eating.
No, give this one.
I got that for you.
Is it
Here. Anton.
Like that one.
Yes.
I will feed him.
Yes.
Come on.
Talk to the goat. Talk. Oh, you see?
See, he's eating. See?
Ah,
He will eat noodles also.
good boy.
See, finish.
Later he will say thank you.
Bring more. Ah.
Now a little bit force got.
Ah,
Give.
give.
Oh, see?
See?
Ah,
Very good.
ah.
Talk to the goat.
It's a baby goat.
No, it's an old goat.
Very cute.
Very good. Not like Anton.
No, not that one.
Good boy.
Like the leaf. You eat the leaf. Or just feed the goat.
Give all.
I got this one.
He's crying.
Oh,
Gutom na gutom.
may gawin isang linggo na. Isang linggo na yung naroon ni tayo dahon ng talisa.
I got this one.
Yes.
He like beef. That's a minute.
Tapos ka kay Puad. You talk to the goat.
He's hungry.
Bring noodles. Bring noodles. He's hungry. Bring noodles.
No, don't disturb.
He's a, yes. He wants to eat. Come on. Come on. Eat this one.
Subuan eh.
Eat this one.
Tataltal mo siya. Ako
Come
agad.
on, you.
Ayun.
I got
Eat Anton's shirt. Eat Anton's shirt.
He's going to eat the plant. He's going to eat the plant.
Who is disturbing you? Huh? Who is disturbing you? Who is disturbing you?
Tutsi.
Ayun yung biniling sibuyas.
Nasa taas.
Who is disturbing you?
Wala pala eh. 200. Oo nga, 300. 300 pala. Bawang ang mahal.
Okay, kahit matate.
Mahal ang bawang. Dapat sa San Jose ka pumunta, mura kayo. Lagi ng plantas.
Nado si Mangyan?
Another food. I'm coming.
Good goat.
This is boy or girl?
Hey. You.
Baga.
You, monkey.
Ayun. Pagka nagpapakain.
Ating ilipat kung anong kanya reaksyon.
Hindi, tanggalan mo ng ano.
Hindi natin ililipat. Ating ilipat. Wala, dapat tayo.
Wala na.
Sasanay na eh.
Taba-taba pa rin ah. This one! Oh! This is big one! No!
Okay.
Yes!
He is sleeping.
Let's go now!
Punta ka ng Batangas, hawa ka sa kamping.
Let's go!
Puso ng
I'll
baka.
bring a big leaf. Where's the big leaf?
Siguro yan yung nakasama mo isang pag-aaral ng baka. Lagi mo kaya.
Yung B0.
I'll bring.
This is the big one!
Eat a sheep. Come on, Noah.
That is calling.
I got a leaf.
Agad, alin.
And he needs more leaf.
Kaya ng pakain.
The tree.
Enough na ito.
Bata pa.